Canara Bank also came out with its numbers. So let's hear out the ED PV Bharti speaking about the Q2 financials and the exposure to both the lists of NCLT.
See, the tax write back actually during the previous years also we have been receiving the tax refund, right? So now this year we have reconciled the tax. We have filed the appeals with the income tax and we have been receiving the tax amounts from time to time, and we have reversed the excess provision now. The excess tax provision which we had provided in the ester years, that provision has been reversed. See, the cost of funds, yes, we have been, as we are all aware, the rate of interest is being reviewed on a monthly basis as per the MCLR system. So depending upon the cost of funds, because the cost of deposits is really going up now in the market as against the earlier rates of around 6.75%, it is really going up to 7 and even 7.25% for even 1 year deposits. So the funds are becoming tighter as far as the deposits are concerned, and with reference to the market trend, we are reviewing the MCLR on a monthly basis, and the cost of the funds is being passed on with the MCLR. See, the domestic NIM, as of now, our domestic NIM is 2.74% and the global NIM has been 2.53%. Going forward, we would like to take our global NIM to 2.75%. See, under NCLT 1, I have got 12 accounts under NCLT 1 with an exposure of 8,885, and we have already provided 5,600 crores in that. Okay, and under NCLT 2, we had 16 accounts with an exposure of 5,472 and a provision of already 4,198 has been done. And if you take all these 28 accounts, actually we have provided more than 65% of the amount has already been provided. And under NCLT 1, 3 accounts have already been settled and we have received nearly 2,100 crores have been recovered. And coming to NCLT 2 also, already the provision held is nearly 76.72% provision coverage ratio is already available. So overall, the PCR for this particular NCLT 1 and 2 accounts is more than 68%.